Raindrops tracing silver lines on the glass beside my mind. Coffee warm in quiet hands while the world just gently stands. Little words across the page, soft ideas slowly wake. Every line begins to flow like the rain outside the window. In this corner time moves slow, thoughts are drifting soft and low. Every sound begins to fade in this calm that rain has made. Stay inside this quiet place where the rain and thoughts embrace. Every word I softly write glows beneath the golden light. Slow rain, warm air, pieces floating everywhere. In this moment I can see how the silence carries me. Outside streets are shining bright under clouds of silver light. Footsteps passing far away like a distant fading day. Pages turning one by one, little stories just begun. Every thought begins to grow in the rhythm of the soul. Raindrops falling soft and deep, promises the sky will keep. Every breath a gentle start, quiet rain inside my heart. Stay inside this quiet place, let the restless feelings fade. Every word I softly feels like warmth that rain has made. So rain, warm air, pieces floating everywhere. In this moment I can see this soft world was meant for me. Rain falls softly, toffee slowly cooling, pages glow